Hi, welcome to my video on extra problem number 2. A tangent intersects a parabola y equals x squared at the point P and passes through 1, negative 3. Find point P and equation of the tangent at P. Well, we have a parabola y equals x squared, and a tangent has a slope of 0, so we do the derivative of y prime. So y prime equals 2x. So when the points on the slope of the parabola, so the slope of the parabola is 2x. Now we have points on the parabola. One point on the parabola is 1, negative 3. And the other point on the parabola is that if we have a coordinate of x, the other one, the y value, is x squared. So that means if we look at the slope is, if we call this point x1, y1, x2, y2, the slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the slope of the tangent is 2x. y2 is x squared. Subtract negative 3, so that's a plus 3. All over x2, which is x, subtract 1. So we have an equation, so let's solve the equation. Let's cross multiply. So 2x times x minus 1 equals 1 times x squared plus 3. So that gives us 2x squared minus 2x equals x squared plus 3. We have a quadratic, so we move all terms to the left side in descending order. So 2x squared minus x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Simplify, we have x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. We have a quadratic, and hopefully it's factorable. Let's see. X squared is x times x. The product is 3, so it's 3 and 1. But the product is negative and the sum is negative, so it has to be a negative 3 plus 1. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3, or x is equal to, as a plus 1, minus 1. So let's work the equation. So if we have it at x equals 3, so if we plug 3 in, so we have y equals x squared. Oops, I got a cube there. Y equals x squared. So y equals 3 squared. So y equals 9. So that's the point 3 comma 9. And if x is negative 1, y squared equals x. Y equals x squared. So y equals negative 1 squared. So y is equal to 1. So that point is negative 1 comma 1. So that's 2 points that have, these are P. So that's P. There's 2 values, 2 point values. So let's take the point. Let's take where, again, this is where x is 3. So if x is 3, let's find the equation of the tangent at 3. So we have the derivative is y prime equals 2x. So y prime equals 2 times 3. So y prime equals 6. So the slope of the tangent is 6 at x is 3. So the slope, y equals mx plus b. And the point at 3 is 3, 9. So we take the 3, 9 and sub in. Y is 9. 6x is 3 plus b. So 9 equals 18 plus b. So 9 minus 18 equals b. So b is negative 9. So y equals, the slope is 6 times x, mx, minus 9. So the point P is, point P is 3, 9, and the equation of the tangent at that point is y equals 6x minus 9. Now let's take the point negative 1, 1, and that's when x is negative 1. So y prime is 2x, so y prime is 2 times negative 1. So the slope of the tangent at negative 1, the slope is negative 2. So that means that y equals mx negative 2x plus b. And the point, y is 1, x is negative 1. So we solve this for b. b is 1 minus 2. b is negative 1. So the equation y equals the slope of the tangent is negative 2. So y equals mx, and b is negative 1. So there are 2 points. One is 3, 9, and the equation of the tangent is y equals 6x minus 9. And the other point is negative 1, 1, and the tangent at that point is y equals negative 2x minus 1. And both of these tangents will intersect. Now I'm just going to do a calc just to make sure. Both of these tangents will intersect at the point 1, negative 3. Just see if, so we have 2 equations, so we let 6x minus 9 equal negative 2x minus 1. 6x plus 2x equals negative 1 plus 9. 8x equals 8. X is 1. So both points intersect at where x is 1, and we sub that into either one of these. It makes no difference where we sub it into. Y equals 6x minus 9. X is 1. So y equals 6. I almost made a mistake here. 6 minus 9. So y equals negative 3. So that's 1, negative 3. And if we took the 1 and subbed it in here, in this equation, put a 1 here, we get negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. So that's just checking. That's just checking that these 2 equations of the tangent intersect at the point 1, negative 3. A very good question, and a little bit of algebra involved. So again, it's an extra problem I found. And if you like my video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.